Hi, I am Dr. Bhagyalakshmi, Senior Homeopathic Consultant. I have practiced since 22 years at Riba Homeopathy in Bangalore. Sneezings. Sneezings means sudden, uncontrollable burst of air through nose or mouth. That is called sneezings. Sneezings generally occur due to viral infection, cold weather, due to dust, pollens, and pet dander. If they have other diseases like nasal polyps, sinusitis, in asthma, chronic bronchitis, then also they will get sneezings. These are all the main reasons we can say. What are the symptoms they will have in sneezings? They will be having redness of the eyes, itching of the eyes, nasal discharge. It might be watery or thick, nasal irritation, nasal congestion, and sore throat, itching in the throat, pain in the throat, and blocking of the nose will be there in sneezings. If it is severe, they will get fever also. If it is mild, they won't have this much of severity of the symptoms. But according to their reason, we have to give treatment. Other reasons like if they have allergy to some strong smells like deodorant and strong smells like onion smell or garlic smell, then also some people will get due to allergy to that particular thing. And for some people, if they have drug reaction, then also they will get sneezings. Now I will tell about treatment with homeopathy. We can say there is best results with homeopathy like remedies allium cepa, pulsatilla, and heparsal, silesia, thuja, sulfur. Like that, so many good remedies are there in homeopathy. Please consult if you have like these symptoms. Consult with homeopathy doctor.